was using this one Ankara material and using one style to achieve three at a go. You want to see that, so you're going to wait and watch till the end. This is the material. You're going to grab it the way I held, and you're going to pleat it down roughly and divide it into two equal parts like this. So where you place your hand, you're going to push a bit up, but before you push up, grab your band, make it very close to your hand because you will be needing it. Here is my band, and it's very close to the material. Now I'm going to push up the fabric like this, then I'm going to replace my hand with the elastic band. Yes, once that is done, you see, you're going to create that hole, let it be there. Now you're going to open up the excess like this and place on your head like this. Once you place on your head, the rough place you made earlier, you're going to get it well straightening and well aligned, directing the excess backward. Now you go to the other side, and what you're going to do there is also get it well laid, well aligned, and looking nice. So I'm doing that, and I will direct excess backward as well. So at the back, I'm going to give it a final knot, and this shows that the head wrap we are creating is a very simple one. You don't need to stress it at all. Now you come back to the front where you have the push up part. You're going to divide it into two like this, replacing your hand with another band. So once you replace your hand with the band, you're going to be having two sides for this one as well. Then you dip your hand into the hole, because there will always be hole. You dip your hand into the hole and let it show, getting it well arranged. Then you add your brooch to where the rubber band shows, and also to beautify. Now the final look is going to be like this at the back, and the front will be like this. Here is the first style I created out of the three. Now we go for the second style. Remove the brooch again, and you have it like this. Dip your hand in and bring out the fabric in bit by bit, don't rush it. So you go to the other part and repeat the same process, then you have something like this. So I'm going to add my brooch, and the final look is this. That's second style. Now the third one, I'm going to remove the pin at the front only. Then I'm going to stretch the angle to the side. You're going to stretch it a bit to the side like this and secure down. You're going to secure down with office pin, both right and left. Once that is being achieved, then you are done with the third style. But don't forget, you need to beautify it to make it look nice. But if you don't have anything, you are good to go as well. Here is the final look, and I love all the three styles. So use one stone to kill three birds. Bye.